Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today we're exploring one of the most exciting drone comparisons of 2025. The Antigravity A1 8K360 drone versus the highly anticipated DJI Mini5 Pro. This head-to-head matchup represents two very different approaches to aerial technology. On one side, a newcomer bringing revolutionary ideas and immersive creativity, and on the other, an established industry leader refining its proven formula. The big question for drone fans this year is simple. Should you dive into Antigravity's bold new 360 capture system, or should you wait for DJI's next-generation mini powerhouse? Let's take a detailed look at both contenders. The Antigravity, one breaking new ground in aerial storytelling. The Antigravity A1. It's not just another quadcopter. It's a bold attempt to reshape how creators use drones. It's developed with immersive capture in mind. This drone introduces the world's first native 8K, 360-degree recording system in such a compact package. While most drones limit you to whatever direction the camera is facing, the A1 eliminates that barrier by filming every angle at once. With its dual lens system, pilots don't have to worry about missing the perfect shot during flight. Instead, they can reframe footage afterward, choosing cinematic pans, horizon flips, or even interactive angles long after the flight is over. Adding to this is the invisible drone effect, where the A1 cleverly removes itself from the recording, leaving only breathtaking scenery. The result is content that feels seamless, immersive. And unlike anything traditional drones deliver flying, the A1 also feels different. Using a free motion controller and VR-style goggles, the drone offers a more natural, intuitive flight experience. You can look in one direction while the aircraft flies in another, unlocking creative possibilities similar to FPV drones but without the steep learning curve. For creators, this means more flexibility in storytelling and endless editing potential. Tiny planet effects, cinematic widescreen crops, and vertical social clips are all possible from the same raw footage. At just 249 grams, the A1 is travel-friendly and falls below registration limits in many regions. That makes it an excellent choice for content creators who want freedom to fly without complicated paperwork. With built-in safety systems like return to home and payload detection, the A1 also manages to balance innovation with responsible design. And to make things even more interesting, Antigravity is inviting early users into a co-creation program, letting pilots test pre-release units, share feedback, and even compete for a reward pool. With a global launch expected in early 2026, the A1 isn't just launching a product, it's building a community-driven movement. The DJI Mini5 Pro trusted power in a small package. On the other side of this duel is DJI, the longtime market leader known for its balance of portability, performance, and reliability. The upcoming Mini5 Pro is the next evolution of DJI's hugely popular mini-series, and it's expected to take everything that worked in previous generations while pushing the boundaries even further. Despite packing in new features, DJI has reportedly kept the Mini5 Pro under the 249 grams threshold, keeping it lightweight and accessible to casual users. Early leaks suggest a redesigned body with better aerodynamics, a sturdier gimbal system, and a LiDAR-based sensor array. These upgrades are expected to dramatically improve obstacle avoidance, especially in challenging environments like forests, foggy conditions, or urban landscapes. The Mini5 Pro is also rumored to include omnidirectional obstacle sensing, a huge leap for this category of drone. Combined with AI-powered subject tracking, the Mini5 Pro could follow runners, cyclists, vehicles, or even animals, while automatically dodging obstacles in real time. This makes it especially appealing to athletes, adventurers, and vloggers who want hands-free operation without the fear of crashes. When it comes to imaging, DJI continues to shine. The Mini5 Pro is expected to feature a 1-inch sensor with 4000 recording up to 120 FPS, giving creators professional-level slow motion and excellent low-light performance. Vertical video recording is built-in, making social media content creation easier than ever. Adding to this is a 225 gimbal rotation system, which opens new possibilities for creative angles that most compact drones simply can't achieve. Portability remains a cornerstone of the Mini series, and the 5 Pro won't disappoint. It's foldable. Design keeps it pocket-sized, while an estimated 36-minute flight time, with optional extended batteries, means more airtime for creators on the go. With an expected price range of $899, $950, and a launch window in late September 2025, DJI is once again positioning itself as the go-to choice for those who value both power and trust, comparing the two, which one fits you best. Both drones weigh under 249 grams, making them highly portable and regulation-friendly. But the philosophy behind each is very different. Antigravity A1 is about breaking barriers. With 8K 360-degree immersive capture, VR-inspired flying, and futuristic storytelling potential, DJI Mini5 Pro is about perfecting the formula with AI-enhanced safety, cinematic image quality, reliable performance. If you're a content creator who thrives on experimentation and wants to craft unique, immersive footage, the A1 is an exciting option. On the other hand, if you value proven stability, advanced tracking, and polished traditional footage, the Mini5 Pro is the safer investment. Final verdict: so, which drone deserves your attention in 2025? The answer depends on your goals. The Antigravity A1 is a visionary tool for those who want to be early adopters of the future of aerial storytelling. Meanwhile, the DJI Mini5 Pro continues DJI's legacy of reliability, making it the ideal choice for professionals and hobbyists who want a powerful drone they can trust in any environment, no matter which path you choose. One thing is certain: 2025 is set to be a landmark year for drone innovation, with creators and flyers gaining more freedom, more control, and more ways to tell their stories than ever before.